aware, the protests for one rank, one pension are currently going on. It's yesterday and today are the 2 days that several veterans have decided to return their medals. Vijay is on the phone line. Vijay, tell us, where are you and what's happening there?
Well, the veterans once again escalating their agitation as far as one rank, one pension is concerned. They were in fact disappointed with the government notification on OROP. They said that the government notification is not as per their demands, and which is why they have now planned to escalate the protests across the country. The first being returning of medals by veterans across the country. Yesterday, we witnessed how ex-servicemen belonging to the United Front of Ex-Servicemen returned their medals to the Deputy Commissioner Revenue, New Delhi, at the T1 terminal of the Indira Gandhi airport in Delhi. Now today, most of them saying that they will in fact probably be burning their medals. However, some section within the veterans also of the opinion that medals should not be burned. But however, all unilaterally do agree that they will in fact be escalating the entire one rank, one pension movement. They've also said that what happened in Bihar was a result of the veterans' disappointment with the government, and also that they are going to escalate the protest. They are going to go across the country and they are going to spread the message of
Vijay,
how
just
the
stay
government
with us. All right, we're expecting some reactions to come in, but Vijay, meanwhile, this is not just happening in the capital; it's happening across the cities. What is the plan of the veterans? How do they plan to take this forward?
Well, the veterans say that they will in fact be expanding their protests across the country. They will also in fact go in districts which are due for election in other states as well. They've also said that they have tried to talk with the government. They have put forward their demands before the government, but the government has come.
कोई ध्यान नहीं रह रहा है, उसने कर दिया। ये तो हाथ से बाहर जाने वाली बात होगी। आप इसके ऊपर तवज्जो दें। ये 3 महीने 4 महीने से आप इधर आने की परवाह भी नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो ऐसा तो होगा। ये तो अभी शुरू ही है, कुछ और भी हो सकता है।